Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Amar Farhan. Welcome back to my channel and please like this video. I got task from my teacher that it reviewing some food in the restaurant, so I choose Olive Bistro. It's near from my house, around 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. So tonight I'm gonna go there using my motorcycle, I think. Okay, let's go. I think today is a beautiful night. Yeah, it's not too hot and not too cold. Oh my god, I forgot to bring my wallet. I think I'll go back again. Oh my god, I forgot to bring my wallet, man. So I'll go back to home. Here I am. So I'm now on Olive Bistro. This is the building. This is the appetizer. It is zupa soup. You can look there. I'm ready to eat the zupa soup, but it's really hot, so I'm waiting. Just waiting until it's can to be it. And now I'm already tasted and the taste is good, I think, but a little bit salty. Okay, this food is appetizer. This is zupa soup. It's priced around 25,000 rupiah, and the ingredients is chicken. So guys, today I want to eat this food, sirloin hot spoon. This food name sirloin hot stone, and the price is around 130,000 rupiah, and I'll taste this one. Just wait until done. So now I'm cooking the steak because the steak is raw. Yeah, the meat is raw, so I need to cook it around 10 no not 10 minutes, I think 5 minutes. It's a really bored times, just waiting. And I put some margarine and everything there, and salt. And then I cut the meat into small pieces to make it faster to ready to eat. And it is not yet ready to eat, so I'm just waiting there. Yeah, so I'm eating right now. The vegetable, I think it's really fresh, because the difference between vegetable and fresh and not fresh is taste is like that. You know what the difference between fresh one and so fast. It's so complicated to know. And I'm almost done. Okay, this food name is hot stone sirloin steak, and the price is around 130,000 rupiah. And about the ingredient is a sirloin meat, mushroom sauce,
and some vegetables. And about the review taste is the meat is well done and good, and after that is the barbecue sauce is good, and the mushroom sauce is little bit salty. Yeah. This food is the dessert, and it is named banana flambe. Okay, let's try it.
Okay guys, now I'm ready to eat the dessert. The banana is a little bit hot, but the ice cream is cold, so it's make my mouth is
Okay, this is banana flambe. It's priced around 25,000 rupiah. And about the ingredient is banana and ice cream and cherry, and I think it is a maple syrup or something like that. And about the taste is very good because it's not too sweet, and overall is 9. Okay, thank you.
So guys, now I'm in home again. For the closing is I spent around 100,000 rupiah in Olive Bistro. And about the ingredient review is the food is fresh, and in there is have a good meat quality, and all of the food is very good, I think. And about the taste, I give rating 9.5 from 10 because so many good things there. And about the situation of the Olive Bistro is very good. The restaurant is not too crowded, good design of restaurant, and I think the restaurant have a classical modern design. The location is very strategic because the Olive Bistro is located in Big Street. So guys, I'm very satisfied of this restaurant. I mean Olive Bistro because this restaurant is very match for marketing like family dinner or for lunch or gathering even. So it's very recommended for you all. They're all from me. Thank you for enjoying my video. I'm sorry if there are missing words. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for everything. Bye bye.